This show is proudly sponsored by TraderCobb.com, and I'm going to bring you a testimonial today from a course member from 2018. Hi Craig, congratulations on achieving your goal. I've also achieved my goal. I basically used the method you taught at your workshop, but I found the VWMA setup to be set at 30 to be a very good friend to me. Thanks to you from my family, I now have total financial freedom. Cheers, mate. This could be you as well. Take the plunge, get started, and visit TraderCobb.com now. G'day everybody, welcome to the Trader Cobb Crypto Podcast. I'm excited today and I'll tell you why. Well, I had a good weekend. Well, weather's been atrocious here. Flooding all over New South Wales and the southeast of Queensland as well. Pretty horrendous weather. But what that opens up is opportunity for me on a Saturday to get stuck into the markets, and I certainly did. I'd kind of taken a little while to get myself back in the zone last week. It wasn't until about Wednesday that I really felt like I was ready to get back into it. And happily enough, Thursday I was able to strike. There was two trades on Thursday. Both have hit 1-to-1 for me. Excellent stuff. Engine then pulled back to stop out, so break-even trade there. Bancor is still open and in profit, only just, but it's in profit, and it has hit 1-to-1. Just by B's Winkle, but I got there. I also got a trade there on Luna, which is well up right now. That was on Friday, and another one on, what was it called? Louise. I forgot the name of it. Anyway, another trade that locked in profit overnight. So it's been a very, very good little period. A cluster of 5 trades. Oh, that's right. I got one on Priv Perp as well. So it's been a cluster of 5 trades, and every single one of them going on to at least 1-to-1. So it's been a very good little period of time. The markets have been producing opportunities, but it's about your mindset. It's about knowing what you're looking for, when you're looking for it, and also making sure you get yourself into that place where you're able to take action when action is what is needed to be done. So I'm very happy with how it's all gone, and I'm hopeful that we continue to get great trading opportunities for everybody out there in the community and whatnot. Now, I'm actually going to be away for the next 3 days. I am going to be in South Australia. A couple of days of fishing with my mates. I'm going to chase some tuna with a little bit of luck. If the weather's crap, then I guess we just chase King George whiting, which is a very big difference going from southern bluefin tuna to whiting. But hey, it's going to be a good trip anyway. So what you're going to have over the next couple of days is going to be from my very popular series, The Trader's Journey. So, or The Journey of a Trader, I think it's called. And I really ask you to listen to those, because these are the little bits and pieces, the snippets that are very important for you as a trader, a budding trader, or somebody who's already trading. It's going to be each day, around the same sort of times. But get into that and have a good listen. They're not really long, again, not very long episodes, but very short, pungent or poignant little bits of snippets of information that you're going to benefit from. So make sure you get stuck in there. Of course, the free course is still running. You can go to TraderCobb.com, get yourself stuck in. And I really do suggest that if you've been sitting on the fence a little while, it's probably a good time to get going. Jump into Facebook and have a look under the Trader Cobb crypto community there. All right. Put a post out over the weekend, and I think you should go through and have a read of some of the comments there so you can actually see what other people are doing. I think it's important for you to understand that it's not just about me, it's about what the clients are doing, and they're doing very bloody well. So I'm stoked. Anyway, moving forward, right now we've had the market close 20 minutes ago on the weekly charts, and I'm going to take you through and just give you some perspective from what I'm seeing. Bitcoin last week was down 2.69%. It's, it didn't do a huge amount, didn't push to new highs. But the lows that it rejected, it came back up 7.85%, and it's going to be interesting to see what it does this week. Of course, with me being away a few days, consolidation could be very good. Selfishly speaking, of course, that would be lovely to see. But for you guys, I hope it continues to trend and opportunities arise each and every day. Right now, on the daily charts, we're not seeing a great deal. We are somewhat in a consolidation period. What I really want to see from here is just a break to new all-time highs. We get above there and the trends are back in motion. Until that occurs, we might just see some choppy conditions, so please make sure that you are careful. We're currently sitting at $57,327 on Bitcoin. Ethereum continues to grind sideways. Not much really going on last week at all. Relatively small candle, closing down 3.6%. Whilst it is in that consolidation, it's not something that I'm interested in trading. My focus has been on the trending charts, and that's why there's been profits being made. I always focus on the trends, and that's the most important thing to me as a trader. It's at $1,780 right now. and just doing its thing. XRP on Saturday had a pretty solid pop, up 12%. It ended up closing the weekly quite well up, 17.8%. So a pretty bloody nice recovery there on XRP. It still hasn't really got the sort of chart that I want to be focusing on trading at this stage. That being said, the daily trend has kicked into an uptrend. It's just not looking all that astonishing, all that interesting. It's at 51.2 cents right now, down 1% today so far. Bitcoin Cash is flat, still flat, $523.15. That weekly last week, it was down 5.23. Not much going on there. No interest from me. DOT continues its sideways run, $36.48, down 0.6 on the beginning of the new day. Goody. More rain. Shut the window, Craig. Last week, DOT did close up. It closed up 0.8%. Pretty ugly looking candle. And of course, having a run from $4 to $40 in the last couple of months, that's a tax. It certainly has, reason to continue to consolidate for the time being. Yes, on the Litecoin continues sideways. Did dip yesterday, down 2%. And the weekly wasn't really all that bright, down 8.6%. Nothing for me there realistically at the moment. 194.56, so holding back underneath that $200 mark once again, down 0.5% as it stands. Binance, gee whiz, it had a slow week, didn't it? I mean, the week was up 0.7%, but the range was just so small. It's at 264.40 cents, down 0.4%. Cardano pulled back after a solid start to the week. It's down 0.5% now. $1.18 is the current level that we are at, down 0.5%. Last week it closed up 12%, but it just shot all the way up and pulled all the way back. So a bit of an ugly looking chart on Cardano. Link, $29.09, down 0.6%. The weekly, very sideways. It did close up 2.5%, but the chart is more sideways than it is any other direction, and finishing out on a stellar lumen, continuing its sideways move. 40 cents, down 0.6%, and the weekly last week, it was up 3.7%. So guys, like I say, I'll be away a few days. I will be looking forward to doing some fishing, hopefully come back with a stack of southern bluefin tuna and some epic stories. Take care of yourself, have a fantastic week, and get yourself stuck into the markets. My apprentices, my mentors, everything will be running as is always the case, and I will keep you updated on how the trip goes. Have a great day. Speak to you again soon. Bye for now. This show is proudly sponsored by TraderCobb.com, and I'm going to bring you a testimonial today from a course member from 2018. Hi Craig, congratulations on achieving your goal. I've also achieved my goal. I basically used the method you taught at your workshop, but I found the VWMA setup to be set at 30 to be a very good friend to me. Thanks to you from my family, I now have total financial freedom. Cheers, mate. This could be you as well. Take the plunge, get started, and visit TraderCobb.com now.